everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to have you back here. Today I'm doing a kitchen cleaning routine video, and this is what I do once a week. So it's not something that I do every day, so it's a bit of a deeper clean, but I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys what it looks like. And for the countertops today, I'll be using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in the basil scent. So if you've seen my videos before, you know I like my Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleaner in the lemon verbena scent, and I always use this on things that are a bit tougher to clean. So I used it before in my refrigerator. Today I'm going to be using it on the microwave, and this just really helps pick up those things that are kind of crusted on there, and so I don't really have to work too hard to get all that stuff off when I use this cleaner because it's kind of got a grainy texture to it. This is one of the products I really like to use when I clean the kitchen, is the Weinmann stainless steel cleaner. And so I go ahead and I use this on my microwave and my glass stovetop as well as my stainless steel appliances because I think it gives it a really nice shine. And I go ahead and use this with a microfiber cloth. If you happen to know of an all-natural stainless steel cleaner that works really well for you and doesn't leave streaks, please let me know in the comment box below. I'd love to hear about it because I haven't found one that I really like yet, so this is what I'm working with. And another tip that I've learned when I'm cleaning stainless steel is to go with the grain of the steel and not against it, or else it will leave those streaks and you just get a better all over clean and shine on it. So another thing I cleaned today in my kitchen was my cabinets, and this is something I do every 2 or 3 weeks. It's not something I do every week, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how I do it because it needed to be done, and you'd be amazed at how much stuff flies up onto the cabinets after cooking, like grease and spices. And so this is something I highly recommend, and you'll be quite surprised at what you find on your cabinets if you hadn't done this in a long time. So I also went ahead and I wiped down my windows with the Mrs. Meyer's window cleaner and a paper towel. I've said it before in my previous videos, I really like paper towels instead of microfiber cloths on glass because I just think it doesn't leave as many streaks. So now I'm just going ahead and I'm using the 7th generation dish soap to wash off that plate that's in the microwave, and I like to take this over to the sink and always give it a good scrub because I feel like I can't clean it so well when it's sitting in the microwave. So that's what I like to do, and then I'll go ahead and clean the sink down again with that baking soda cream cleaner from Mrs. Meyer's in the lemon verbena scent. So my motto when I'm cleaning is to always clean top to bottom. So the very last thing I like to do is vacuum and mop my floors. And to vacuum, I'm using my Dyson V6 to get up all the crumbs. And then I'm going to use a mop and just a Mr. Clean and water solution for the floor. So thanks for watching my kitchen cleaning routine video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I've got some really cool video ideas in the future. I'm doing a spring cleaning series where each week I'm spring cleaning something new, and I'd love to provide you with some motivation, especially since it's going to start getting warmer and it's time to air out our houses, so please stay tuned.